Imagine standing on Earth, looking up at the sky, and suddenly the sun disappears. Not because of clouds, not because of night, but because something massive is falling toward you from space. A rock traveling faster than a bullet, hotter than lava, carrying more power than billions of nuclear bombs. And when it hits, oceans boil, mountains collapse, the air itself becomes poison. Entire species vanish forever. This isn't science fiction. This has happened before, many times, and it will happen again. Tonight, we're uncovering the asteroids that didn't just hit Earth. They changed its destiny forever. For billions of years, Earth has lived under constant bombardment. Asteroids, comets, space debris. Some burn up harmlessly in the atmosphere, leaving glowing streaks we call meteors. But others reach the ground. And when they do, they don't just leave a mark. They reshape the planet. Volcanoes build mountains. Rivers carve valleys. But asteroid impacts rewrite the rules of life itself. Every year, thousands of space rocks enter our atmosphere. Only a few hundred survive the fiery descent. But every few million years, something enormous arrives. Something powerful enough to threaten life on a global scale. On average, planet-altering impacts occur roughly every 100,000 years. And the truly massive ones? About every 500,000 years. Each one leaves behind destruction and transformation. Our world today exists because of these cosmic collisions. So let's travel back in time to the most powerful impacts in Earth's history. Hidden beneath kilometers of Antarctic ice, scientists discovered something terrifying. A massive crater over 500 kilometers wide, buried deep in Wilkes Land, East Antarctica. It's invisible to the eye, but satellite gravity measurements revealed the truth. Something enormous struck here around 250 million years ago. And that timing is no coincidence, because 250 million years ago, Earth experienced the greatest mass extinction in its history, the Permian-Triassic extinction. Nearly 90% of all life on Earth vanished. Forests died. Oceans collapsed. Entire ecosystems disappeared. Many scientists believe this Antarctic impact triggered the catastrophe. The collision may have weakened Earth's crust, unleashing massive volcanic eruptions. Poisonous gases filled the atmosphere. Global temperatures soared. Oceans lost oxygen. Life suffocated. Some researchers even suggest the impact destabilized the supercontinent Gondwana, helping push Australia northward. Beneath Antarctica today, gravity anomalies reveal a massive underground structure, a dense block of mantle rock forced upward by the impact. A silent scar frozen in time, proof that something once struck Earth with unimaginable force. Now travel even further back, 2 billion years ago. Long before dinosaurs, before complex life dominated Earth. A colossal asteroid at least 10 kilometers wide slammed into what is now South Africa. The impact was beyond comprehension. The surface collapsed, forming a crater 40 kilometers deep. Rock vaporized instantly. Shockwaves rippled through the crust. Then something extraordinary happened. The ground rebounded upward, flipping layers of Earth's crust inside out. When the dust settled, the crater stretched between 180 and 300 kilometers wide. Today, this is the largest confirmed impact structure on Earth, the Vredefort Dome. The force was so intense, a 25-kilometer section of crust literally turned upside down. And yet, life returned. Today, the region is full of biodiversity: plants, birds, butterflies. Some scientists believe this impact reshaped Earth's environment so dramatically, it may have influenced the direction of evolution itself. Even after 2 billion years, its concentric rings remain visible, a geological fingerprint of cosmic violence. Now we arrive at the most famous impact of all. 66 million years ago, a mountain-sized asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, hurtled toward Earth. Its destination? The Yucatan Peninsula, modern-day Mexico. The impact created a crater 145 kilometers wide. But the crater was the least of Earth's problems. The explosion released more energy than billions of nuclear weapons. Shockwaves circled the planet. Mega-tsunamis swallowed coastlines. Wildfires ignited across continents. Debris blasted into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, maybe years. Photosynthesis stopped. Food chains collapsed. And when it was over, 75% of all species on Earth were gone, including the dinosaurs. But here's something even more shocking. Scientists estimate this extinction only had about a 13% chance of happening. Why? Because the asteroid struck an area rich in hydrocarbons, fuel, like materials that produced massive climate-altering gases. If it had hit somewhere else, dinosaurs might still rule the planet. Your existence may depend on where that asteroid landed. Scientists studying asteroid orbits discovered something chilling. Impacts from 10-kilometer-wide asteroids may occur roughly every 250 million years. Nearly half of them may be carbon-rich space rocks, like the one that killed the dinosaurs. In other words, Earth is playing a cosmic lottery. And eventually, another ticket will be drawn. But not all impacts bring destruction. Some bring opportunity. About 1.8 billion years ago, a massive asteroid struck what is now Sudbury, Canada. It carved a crater 250 kilometers wide, one of the largest on Earth. But this collision did something unusual. It produced enormous amounts of molten rock magma that pooled underground. Over time, this magma cooled into one of the richest mineral deposits ever discovered: copper, nickel, palladium, resources that power modern civilization. Mining began in the 1800s and continues today. A cosmic disaster that became a geological treasure. Proof that asteroid impacts don't just destroy worlds, sometimes they build them. What if the next chapter of human history is already racing toward us through space? What if, right now, something is moving in the darkness, silent, unstoppable, and we don't even know it yet? Earth's history is written in craters. Some are visible, massive scars carved into deserts and mountains. Some lie hidden beneath thick ice sheets. Some have been erased by time, buried under oceans and continents. But every single one tells the same story. We are not alone in the universe. Space is not empty. It's not calm. It's not peaceful. It is alive with motion, with chaos, with objects traveling millions of miles per hour. Asteroids, comets, fragments of worlds that never formed. And sometimes they collide. 66 million years ago, one impact changed everything. It darkened the skies. It collapsed ecosystems. It wiped out the dinosaurs, the most dominant creatures on Earth. And that same cosmic force still exists. Right now, thousands of near-Earth objects are being tracked. Most will miss us. But history makes one thing clear: impacts are not rare on a cosmic timescale. The same forces that shaped our past may shape our future. The question isn't if another massive asteroid will strike Earth. The question is,